Have you ever tried ladyfinger eclairs? Well, today's a good day to start. And let's try them together. This is part of the 12 Days of Christmas collaboration, and this represents the 9 ladies dancing. Come on, ladies, dance. Dance the night away. "12 Days of Christmas." So we are doing our 9 dancing ladies. My first recipe fell apart because I bought some cookie cutters and they were garbage, so couldn't do it. So I found a recipe for, we're going to do some ladyfinger eclairs. So yeah, sounds interesting. Might as well just do it and try it. Okay, looks like I forgot to hit play, so I'm using vanilla pudding and chocolate pudding from the little cups and ladyfinger cookies. Alright, so I got a couple of toppings here. I got, put my top back on. Got me some caramel. Got me dark chocolate. I think I'm going to take the dark chocolate. Get our caramel. Alright, I'm going to set these in the fridge for a half hour. Let them set. Okay, ooh, more powdered sugar than I wanted. There we go. Easy. Easy peasy. I paired these up with some coffee, as you can tell from these pictures, and what a delight that was. Oh yes. So please, everyone, give these a try. They're so easy. They were done in like 15 minutes total.